What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. I'm really excited about this one. There's actually multiple knives inside this box, and that's thanks to a very generous viewer. Not going to say his name on camera, but he's helped me out by sending me multiple knives of his own for review on this channel, just out of the kindness of his heart. And I don't want to incentivize anybody else sending me knives because this is really just going to be a special circumstance, but you know who you are. Thank you so much for doing this. I'm going to be sending something a little special back to you when I send these knives back, but send these knives back to you. But let's go ahead and get into this. I know you guys are dying to see what's in here. What a perfect opportunity to try out my new Cold Steel Tough Light. I love this thing. I've been carrying it a little bit. Can't wait to do the review on it, but just, I mean, talk about like a perfect box opener. This is going to be amazing. No, we have rules on this channel. Rules that I must abide by. All right, what do we got here? We have, he's already sent me a picture of this. We have a Kaiser. We have a ProTech. We have a Gerber. Ooh. And we have a Gonzo. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's open these up. What should we do first? Let's open up the Gonzo just because it's the most convenient. Oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. I remember. Okay. Now I'm kind of remembering now, seeing a picture of this. This is not a Gonzo. I think it's just in a Gonzo bag. I'm gonna have to do some research on this. Very interesting. I'm a big fan of this blade shape. I also like the frag texturing that I'm seeing here on the G10 scales. This is a lot smoother than I thought it was gonna be. That is, I don't know what I think about that. That is an interesting knife. Very blocky, interesting ergonomics, interesting look. It's a weird one. It's different than anything that I've ever seen. I'll say that. Let's get into the Gerber here. Gerbers always give me this feeling like my insides are being slowly reduced to liquid by means of poison. Okay, so this is the American automatic. What do you call this one? Oh gosh, I know the name of this. This is like the only Gerber here recently, maybe one other, that I have been interested in getting my hands on. And I actually have experience with the original, or not the original, just the assisted version of this. So I've got a few things to say about it. That's going to be a fun one. Really excited to take a look at that one. Let's get into, what do we want to do? Let's save the ProTech for last. Let's do the Kaiser. Okay. Recognize this box. Oh yeah, I'm so excited about this. So excited about this one. Come on out, buddy. All right, this is the mini sheepdog. I am super excited to talk about this knife. That is awesome. This is a really fun one to have in hand. Right away, I really like this. Right away, I really like this. I love that blade shape. That is so cool. Very smooth, very good action. That's awesome. Okay. Last but not least, the ProTech, or the ProTech box. Is it a ProTech? Yeah, it's ProTech. I couldn't remember. Interesting. So we have a flipper here. Oh, it's a button lock, right? I'll have to get used to that. These are interesting. These are very fidgety. I think this is only the second time in my life that I have played with a button lock. This is a cool little button lock flipper, aluminum, very ProTech looking. Where is the steel? Interesting. ProTech USA, I'm guessing it's either 154 CM or CPM 154, but very interesting little button lock there. Awesome. This is really cool. Thank you again so much. Like I said, you know who you are. This is very helpful, and I can't wait to take a look at all of these knives. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.